Hey guys, in this video I am going to tell you how you get rid of dry lips instantly. Little humidity in the air during the winter months is known as chapped lips. Chapped lips are the common condition that only occurs for the most people, but some people may develop a more severe form of chapped lips called cheilitis. But you don't need to worry about that. In this amazing remedy helps you to get rid of dry lips. To make this magical remedy, we will require such ingredient as honey. Honey can help moisturize your lips and protect cracked lips from infection. It also works as a mild exfoliator and can help remove dry, dead skin from your lips. Coconut oil. It absorbs quickly and leaves the skin feeling supple and looking glowy. Sugar. Sugar can remove dead cell easily, and so it is one of the best natural skincare exfoliant. Now we make this magical remedy. At first we need honey. Simply we just add 1 teaspoon of honey into the container. The next ingredient is coconut oil. We just add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil into the container. And in the last we need sugar as an ingredient. We just add 1.5 teaspoon of sugar into the mixture. Now mix it well. And then the remedy is ready to use.